Hello everyone, welcome to Starnix. I'm Polster and today we will create a service that will be a part of the Starnix cloud, that is a URL short, and I will teach you how to create that using Node.js. Mainly the backend part we will focus on. There is a front end, but that's not really professional or the best looking front end in the world, and you are open to suggest changes or even contribute to the front end part as you wish. Let's start with the project. So what is a URL shortener? As you have already know, like Bitly is there, or there was a shortener called Googly from Google. These are some URL shorteners which shorten a large link into a smaller one and then redirects it accordingly when searched for. So we will create that service today as a part of our Starnix cloud. We will use Node.js for the backend, and we will focus mostly on the backend part. The service will include shortening links, obviously, 10 characters short link creation, some analytics, some gathering of data, and some other stuff. We will figure it out as we go along. In this video, this is an introduction video where we will set up the stage for further work. Let's start. So, and yeah, obviously, one thing to say that in this project, I will try to stick mostly to my terminal and use Vim only and a browser for testing purpose. Other than that, no other IDE or any advanced editor I will use. Let's see how this goes. So as you can see, this is my terminal. It's very simple. Just it's running tmux and nothing else. So we are on a blank folder where we can start our work. First I'll write npm init to init a package. Package name. Oh, by the way, the name of the shortener is Cutlo. Uh, I don't know the real basis for this name. Just I asked ChatGPT and it gave me any name. If you have a better name for this, obviously comment or suggest me, or you can write me on LinkedIn as well. So I will go with Cutlo version 1.1 description URL shortener for Starnix cloud. Entry point index.js is fine with me. Test command, I don't need the test command really. No git, not as of now. Keywords I don't need. Author, Polestar, I don't need any license as of now. Yes, I'm okay with everything. So I have my package.json. There will be one thing that I'll change here. Let's start, and for here it will be node index.js. That's it. Okay, for creating the server, we will use Express.js. See, we'll first need Express here. Let it download. Okay, Express is now installed. Let's go to index.js. So we have a fresh file where we can start our work. The things that we have to cover in this project are, we have to first create a point which will shorten the link, long link actually, a point that will redirect us to the original link, original URL rather, then a front end for it. Oh, and this application or this product or this service can be used both with a front end or from terminal as You can actually see from here, I was just testing it before. So you can use it from here as well. Like from terminal as well, you can shorten, or you can even get redirected. I don't need this right now. Let's start with the work. First, we will need express for it. Express equal to require express. Oh, and one more thing. If you are new to Linux environment, try to see try to learn how to use Vim, because if you know Vim, it's very helpful actually. You don't need any other text editor. Obviously you need, I'm not saying otherwise, but yeah, try to learn Vim. It's good. Okay, express. We need express. Let's create an app from this express. So we have our app. This app should run as well, should listen on port. Let's say I will use port 3000 here. I don't generally work with Node.js, but sometimes you have to. I don't know if I'm doing it right or wrong. If you can tell me in the comments. Let's do it. Else we can just log the error. Let's see if our server is listening or not. Server is listening on port 3000, so everything looks fine. Now let's create a dummy route to understand if it is actually listening. So I will create a get route on slash. Sorry. It will take two parameters, request and the response, and obviously some for formatting. Let's send hello world. I'll save it. Human start. Okay, I don't need it right now. Localhost port 3000. Okay, so our Express app is running, and in that from the next video we will start to implement all these functionalities for our URL shortener. Okay? Stay tuned, and I hope you will learn something new and exciting from this video series. Thank you.